there, English learners! Welcome to English Pod. My name's Erica, and I'm thrilled to be here with Marco.
Hi everyone. I'm super excited for today's lesson. It's all about being in a rush.
You bet! We're diving into an elementary lesson about the chaos of giving directions when you're driving. Fun, right?
Oh, totally. I'm usually running late no matter what. Why does time always slip away?
Alright, let's listen to a little dialogue where two friends hop into a car in a rush. Ready?
Let's do it. I can already feel the urgency. Laughs.
Okay, here it goes. Hurry up, get in. I'm in, let's go.
Haha, that's so relatable. That's literally me every minute I'm late.
Right? The chaos of getting ready is something else. Cool. Make a left here. No, wait. Make a right. Come on, speed up.
Wait, isn't it wild how you can totally lose your sense of direction just because you're rushing? One time I ended up going the wrong way for 20 minutes while picking someone up.
That's classic. It's like our brains short circuit in hurry. But hey, what's the rush? Just keep driving.
Right? Can't we just take a breather? What's the worst that could happen?
Oh no, the traffic light is about to change. Woo! Step on it.
Oh, whoa there. Running a red light isn't on my bucket list, you know?
Are you nuts? I'm definitely not running a red light. Safety first.
Haha, right. I can just picture a crazy car chase like in those old action movies. Laughs.
Exactly. But then it's like, whatever, just turn right here. The freeway is always packed, so let's take a side street.
Side streets are like little treasure maps. You never know what you'll stumble upon. I once found an incredible taco truck that way.
So true. Life's little detours can lead to delicious surprises. Move out of our way, folks.
Oh man, the tension is real. Come on, people. Can't we all just chill?
Having a fit isn't going to help. Just take this route down to Ashburn Heights.
Oh, cutting through. Who doesn't love a good shortcut, right?
They made it just in time before the library closes. Good thing they managed to calm down.
Phew, that's such a relief. I was on the edge of my seat.
Now let's look at today's language takeaway. We have 5 super useful phrases from the dialogue that you can use on the road.
What are they? I want to soak all this up.
First up, step on it means to drive faster.
Ooh, like when you're late for an appointment? Got it.
Exactly. Then there's pass, speed up, which also means to go faster.
So it's like, hey, put the pedal to the metal. Haha, love that.
Exactly. And then we have slow down, which is really important when things get too wild.
Oh boy, yes please. Especially when I'm racing against time.
And then there's Mia, having a fit, meaning to get really angry and lose control of your emotions.
You mean like when my favorite show gets canceled? Ugh.
Exactly. Finally, cut through means taking a shortcut.
Gotcha. Man, I feel like I'm ready to hit the road with all this new vocabulary.
Now let's quickly practice 3 phrases. Make a left, right. Very useful for giving directions.
Ooh, I'm jotting these down in my mind. Laughs.
Are you nuts? Fuh is a fun way to tell someone they're being crazy.
Haha, I can totally drop that in conversation everywhere.
And lastly, let's take a side street, suggests choosing a different route.
This is fantastic. I'm so pumped for my next car ride. I could try all these.
Remember to use these phrases confidently next time you're in a car or taxi. Don't hold back.
Absolutely. And if you have a wild driving story, please share it with us. Laughs.
For more great resources, visit our website at englishpod.com. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye everyone. Happy driving.